guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Uche Peter in India. I kept my balcony door open, and I was sleeping. I was hearing noise. Behold, it's pigeon again. They came in again. I don't know where they came from. I think these ones didn't hear the news, so they were just playing. So when I woke up, they flew. One walk out, and this one flew and stayed here. Look at the rest. Oh, they are now through. Before it was two. Look at them. Look at them. Every time. So I just came back. I saw them here. I don't know how they managed to enter here. That is what marvels me. I used to think maybe is it from here or where? Me myself, I cannot just tell where they used to come in from. And behold, we have a new babies. We have new babies. Very cute babies. Baby pigeon. What? See. What is inhuman is in animal. Okay, look at. They are fighting. What is inhuman is in animal. This one that you can see the mouth is the first one. It's the first one. I see one. It was hatched. So that's it. I kept food. This is rice. They have eat, and the one I kept on top of the AC for them. What can I do for them not to come in again? I don't know what else to do. Seriously. I don't know what else to do for these guys to leave this place. Yeah? Seriously, guys, I don't know what to do for these pigeons to stop coming. I don't want to change them, and it has baby already. I cannot throw the baby. I have to let them stay here more 1 month or more than that again. So I should make them my visitors. I should be feeding them. That's the best thing I can do for them. I can't let them fly. If I wash my clothes, I will just open a little bit from here and spread it out there. I'll just spread it out. I cannot let them out again. They will be there. So guys, what do you suggest? Just tell me, what do you guys suggest? I should leave them, keep feeding them. I will just go to town and buy their food and let them stay. Then whenever this one came out, I will let him out now. Him or her, I don't know, but I will let this one out. Oh yeah, hey boss. Oh yeah, hey boss. Oh yeah. See, this one, they have already shit here. See. Already shit. This is one thing I don't like. This is the main thing I don't like. This is the main reason I don't like. Stay here, okay? Stay here. See them. See. Already start. I think this is female. This is male. But he want to meet. That's what I'm thinking. Already dirty the whole place. You want to meet, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. This is female, this is male. You want to meet, see. Oh, fighting, oh. Yeah, fighting. Already dirty the whole place. Because they are sleeping there. So what shall I do? I can't do anything, but I'll just go clean up again. Let them stay. So guys, tell me what I should do from the comment section so that I will do it. If you guys say I should keep it, I will keep it. If you guys said I should let them go, I will let them go. But what will be the fate of the children? The babies are still there. So peace. Don't forget to share, subscribe, show love. Love is the greatest, as I always say. Bye. What is inhuman is an animal. See. See, let me talk to you. See, as I don't want to, I'm not gonna chase you guys, okay? Tell your siblings, I'm not chasing you guys. Just calm down. I will feed you people. Just relax, do your things, but please don't burn baby again. Stay here, enjoy yourselves, but no babies again. I will feed you guys. When your babies grow, the one there already, when it grow, I will let you guys go, but please don't come to my room again. I'm tired of chasing you people. Okay? Okay? Good. See. Calm down, calm down, calm down. You're not gonna run away. Calm down. Oh yeah, go.